Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, for your Windows laptop, I'm going to show you to rotate the display. Quite easy. This can be handy in case maybe, for example, you need to rotate your display. Like if you have a secondary display on, you can actually turn it to the side and turn it from landscape as seen here to portrait where it's turned on the side, or whatever reason you may need to totally flip the screen over or whatever. There are several orientations. All right, so in order to do this, find a blank space on your touchpad, bring up the context menu. You can use two fingers on top. You're gonna get this context menu in the blank space. Go to display settings. All right, it's gonna open up display settings. You're gonna be taken right to the display settings, and of course it should take you to the right menu, which is on the systems display. From here, you'll be at the right place. Close this. You don't have to close yours. I'm going to show you another way to get here. It's always good to know two ways. Another way to get here would be to go to Start, go to Settings. This is the other way around. Go to System, then tap on Display. All right. So I've shown you both the shortcut and the long way around. So this is the long way around. It will bring you to the same place. Especially if you need to get here quicker, I would advise using the desktop straight away. All right. So once you're here, guys, you're going to see scale and layout. And in order to rotate the display, you're going to go to display orientation. Now the orientation is going to control how the screen is displayed. So here on the display orientation, you're set to landscape. For example, if this was a secondary screen and you wanted to turn it to portrait on the side, you can hit portrait. And as you can see, it would be more like this. You could turn it like this. If you have a secondary display that connects to the laptop, such as you have some cool extra monitors that gives you that ability, you can actually go ahead and use that method to actually turn it to the side. All right. If you don't confirm it, it will revert to the original. All right, I'll show you what I mean. Next, let's say you want to totally flip the screen. You go ahead and do landscape flip. And as you can see, it's upside down. But be aware, once you're in this mode, it gets confusing. Up is down, down is up. If I say revert, it will go back. And if I say keep settings, it will keep the settings. So if I want to go right, I have to go left and so on and so forth. All right, so you get the idea. The time has run out. I didn't confirm it. To keep the setting, go ahead and say keep. All right. So again, you can go to portrait flip. Instead of turning it to this side, let's say you want the monitor on this side, you do portrait flip. So instead of it being at the bottom here, it will do it more for this side by placing it on the other side, so you can actually flip it over. These settings are perfect for a secondary monitor, and of course in cases where, let's say for example, your display is mistakenly flipped upside down, you can actually use this to go back to the settings. For example, some laptops tend to be stuck like this, and it's a good idea to come in and revert it, except it's going to be difficult to navigate here because right is up, up is down, everything is reverse. All right, so you can keep settings if you want to keep it, or hit revert, or wait until the 3 seconds is done, it will revert back. All right, so that's how to basically change the orientation or display orientation of your screen. It's very easy. So go ahead, guys, and do that, especially for a secondary monitor or for whatever reason you want to do for flipping the screen. All right, so hope that was useful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.